Hi guys, welcome back again. Please, if you come across to my video or is your first time to come across to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell in case I upload a new video. You'll be notified. So my people, see, Africa, Nigeria, in fact most especially Nigeria, you people have to be very, very careful. You people have to be very careful. Now, boys, now, men, some of them, they have changed their way. They have changed their way. Seriously. This is the new style they are using. Pad. Last month I do this video of one aboki in Abuja, one estate in Abuja. The aboki was picking pad from the dustbin. So now, see another man again. This one, I think this one is Lagos also. So everyone, ladies, be very careful. Now they change. Now it's like pad. Now is the new. Is the new. Is the one. It's the new way. It's their new way now to make money. Ladies pad is the new way now for them to make money. So every one of you have to bring your ear, watch this video, look at this guy. See, this is the pad. Look at that. I will put the video by the side so that you can see the guy, the way he's picking. They catch him now. They catch him with the pad. Many pad that is picking. Ladies pad. Ladies pad. What is going on now? Wait. In fact, let me leave grammar. What did they happen? Organi. What did they happen? Nah, no style. My people, Mona be careful, yo. Men be careful. Nah, no way, say all those men, all those guys, now different way. Aboki they pick her last month. I make video of the video when I make last month of when Aboki they pick the thing because they don't see say be like say now the first catch Aboki now for Ninja. This one I don't catch this one again. Back they pick her. Now the new style. This is the new style they are using. So everyone should open their ear, open their eyes. So ladies will not use pad again. Ladies they will not go use pad. Then when did it happen? All this evil thing. You people should repent. For God's sake. Wanna repent.
Ṣáájú fún mi dánni wọ́n mú lọ́nu ó gbọ́dọ̀ sàn kọ́ lẹ́bi ṣe ó gbọ́dọ̀ sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ owó iná àwọn èèyàn máa ń yàn ṣé àwa tá à ń gba ṣéǹdì nígbà tá à ń yẹ àmọ́ kọ́lá ń ṣe ni lójú àwọn náà rán náà ẹnìkan máa múṣẹ́ rẹ̀ fún un pé ìbádìí tán ẹ̀ jẹ́ ìjà owó ni owó wọn á ṣe bọ́ ẹnìkan ló múṣẹ́ rẹ̀ wá fún un ẹni láti interview ẹ̀ náà.
They go say na driver and security do all the whole this.
They no go even know ground. They no go even know ground. And the person, something that they do the person, nobody will even know where they are.
How you say they work here? Sanitary pass wey dey Why? On top of money.
Now get my go enter.
Hold am. Hold am. Come on,
Ladies will not use pad again. Ladies, they will not use pad again. What's it going to happen? Pad, somebody will use pad, finish, and go and pack it and take the rubbish away and go and go to outside and go and throw the rubbish away. And you evil men outside, evil people outside will go and pick up the pad from the dustbin and go and use it for what? Why use it for nonsense thing? What is going on? Hey, ladies will not use pad again anymore. Now, God in heaven, thank God they even catch the guy. God in heaven, thank you. Now they catch the guy. You say they don't catch him. They don't catch him. Maybe they do it before. Now the new way, now the new system. Ladies, you should keep your Especially my people, my beautiful people in Africa. More na they keep this thing way. More na they keep am way. Eh? More na they keep am way. If you don't use am finish. The new style now, where they say some people say now they use their own new style. Burner. You understand? If you don't use am, maybe they get you kind of get like bag. You get bag if you don't inside bedroom. You take like nylon. Where you go to schools, they put if you don't use am, you take like nylon. The nylon bag where you go they take, where you go they use. If na 4 days or if na depend on how many days where you they use am, where you they take they do. Schools and put am there. If that date if you put am for bedroom or anywhere, they keep am there. If you don't finish, if you burn am, that be the new way. That be the secret way. It's the secret way, especially people in Africa. In fact, people in everywhere, all over the world. Wicked people is all over the world. In fact, not only Africa or Western world, anywhere. Anytime you use it, you can burn it, because people in Africa, their own is too much. Oh, their own too much. So in a good way and secret way, maybe this. If you don't use am, schools am, just put am for that line. If the visitor don't finish, just burn am. Just put kerosene, carry am go outside. Put kerosene, put matches, pack am. You dey there when you go burn finish. If you don't burn finish, you pack this thing, you jog through here. She shaking now, my people shaking now. This new way will help. Now this new way now, it go help. If you don't use am, just burn am. If you don't burn am, you sweep am, use packer, just throw me am. This one way don't burn with fire. Make them see all these evil people. All these anyhow people where they go, they carry pad where they dustbin. No, now they see when they open eyes. Pad where they dustbin. You carry and say you won't go do something. As they pick am, now so God in heaven they watch them. You go see bring exposer, we go expose them. Thank God they expose them. Which kind of life be this one? What it be this? So now they no way. If they don't use am, make them burn am. Since they no fit throw me and put for dustbin again. Even though say you use something, say if you don't even use am, you double one. Some people will use finish, they will see take another something like another nylon, tie am, double one, squeeze am, go through here. Still they go see am. I pray me they no see am. Still they go see am. They go see am go pick where they want to do yeye thing. So in a good way, normal way, not to burn am. Now so some people say they use their own. Sorry everyone, you have to pardon the noise. Okay? So now so you have to burn am. Wickedness everywhere. What's it on the place? Say pad where you use finish. Evil people say they won't come take am. Now so they are now the new way. Now what they do now new way? Everyone to open their eyes, open their ear. Men na open their ear, open their eyes, or even their nose, or join. Men na open no. Men na they pack una. Men una package una self. Now the new way.